Well, we are back on this wonderful, rainy, gloomy, foggy looking morning. But I have a present for you today, and this is the water pump that just came in last night. As you can see, I already opened it, but wanted to show you guys the kind of water pump that I got for the hot dog cart. It's an eco-worthy water pump, 33/42 series. I'm not sure if I have the 42 or the 33. I'm going to read the book a little bit more. I read some of it last night. So it's a very nice water pump. It is NSF certified. And it did some other inspections that I read up on it, as far as CE inspected and UL inspected, if I'm saying all that correctly. But yeah, man, it's pretty cool. It comes with the little strainer thing, which I was told the strainer is not going to be hooked to the pump. The strainer is going to be in between some of your plumbing. So I think that makes it a lot better for catching debris and things like that, not having it connected to the pump. But in between the plumbing, in between the freshwater tank and the pump. So these guys come with it, which is nice. Little connectors. A lot of people say you don't have to use these connectors on the side. Let me get this open right quick. One hand in it, but a lot of people say you don't have to use these, but I am definitely going to use these. They look wonderful, and why not use the stuff that comes with it so you can make sure everything works correctly. And also it comes with the piping tape, so that's cool. Like, I probably got some somewhere, but then instead of having to look for some or go somewhere to get some, like in a Harbor Freight or whatever, I don't have to do that. And it also comes with this little Allen wrench, which is awesome, to help you loosen or tighten things that may need to be tightened. I was told that always check all your screws and everything before you even get this thing going. So you want to check all your screws and everything, and make sure everything's tight so there's no leaking once you get this thing mounted and going. 12-volt battery, of course. They're going to need to power it and remove these plugs, because a lot of people tend to forget, like, oh, what's going on, why isn't it's not working? But yeah, remove the plugs. But it's an eco-worthy, NFS certified. Definitely need to be NSF certified. And I think I said this before on a previous video. That's because the components in the inside, you don't want components that are put together with a lot of chemical or certain type of plastics and metals that could leak into your water, that can hurt your customers or your family or anybody that is that you're serving, your food to, or even if you're washing your utensils or anything. So you want to make sure it's NSF certified, so it won't have those contaminated components from any type of oil or chemical or whatever they put on the parts to give it longevity or whatever. So with that being said, this is the eco-worthy pump that we ordered for the hot dog cart. And until next time, you guys be blessed.